I'm going to show you on a quick tutorial how you take a section of a website that you've created with Thrive Architect or Thrive theme and copy it to another page within your website. In fact, you can probably copy this to a completely different website, but you only want to copy a section. So let me just go to this page here. So I've got this section here, very simple, in pink, and I want to copy that onto this page here without having to recreate it all. So the way you do this, you go to the page, and what we want to do is select that whole section that we want to copy. And we go to the top right hand corner where we have the green icons there, and we click on Save Template. When you get to Save Template, you can see a preview of that element, as it's called here, for later use, and you give it a name. So I've already done that, and you click on Save New Template. So then how do you incorporate this or upload this onto a separate page? So we go over to the new page we're creating here, and I want this to appear underneath this text in this section. So let me just put a couple more spaces in there. And what I want to do, let's just bring this over so you can see it. We want to add in an element or a block here, and it's templates and symbols. So we click on that, and here is our template. So we click on that template, in it comes, and it's there. So it's in the wrong place at the moment, so I can just grab that, move that into the right place there, and there we go. So that was what I wanted to copy from the previous page and put it onto that page. I couldn't for the life of me work out how to do that, so I thought once I worked it out, I'd create a video, and hopefully you found that useful and interesting. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, particularly if you're interested in putting your money to work. I've been working online full-time since 2001, so I show you how to have great little businesses that you can have online to generate extra income streams. So do check out the rest of my channel for information on that as well. Thanks for watching.